For years, we've made compromises. The fit wasn't quite right. The battery life was good enough. And the sound was just fine. Apple heard every complaint, every critique. And in 2026, they've responded. Not with an incremental update, but with a complete reinvention. I've been living with the final production models for weeks. And what I've discovered goes far beyond the spec sheet. There's one new feature in particular, a feature they are barely advertising, that changes everything star. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know if your current AirPods just became obsolete. Number 1. Apple AirPods for wireless earbuds. AirPods 4 have undergone a significant redesign with a focus on providing exceptional all-day comfort and enhanced stability for users. The new design features a refined contour and a shorter stem, making them more ergonomically suitable for long periods of use. Additionally, quick press controls have been integrated, allowing users to easily manage music playback or answer calls without fumbling with their devices. One of the standout features of AirPods 4 is the active noise cancellation, ANC. This advanced technology effectively reduces outside noise before it reaches your ears, allowing for an immersive listening experience. Users can enjoy their favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks without distractions from the surrounding environment. In addition to ANC, AirPods 4 incorporates a powerful H2 chip that significantly enhances auditory experiences. The adaptive audio feature seamlessly combines active noise cancellation and transparency mode, which enables users to hear and interact with their environment comfortably. Number 2. Apple AirPods Max Wireless. The Apple-designed dynamic driver offers high-fidelity audio quality, ensuring a superior listening experience for users. The integration of computational audio enhances this experience by merging custom acoustic design with the Apple H1 chip and advanced software, paving the way for groundbreaking auditory moments. The AirPods Max are available in an enticing array of 5 vibrant colors: midnight, starlight, blue, purple, and orange. Along with the headphones, a color-matched smart case is included to provide protection and ensure portability. To enhance your listening experience even further, the Pro-level active noise cancellation feature blocks out up to twice as much background noise, allowing for complete immersion in your music or podcasts. This means you can focus entirely on what's playing without distractions. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro 2 Wireless Earbuds. AirPods Pro 2 unlock a revolutionary feature in personal audio technology by introducing the world's first comprehensive all-in-one hearing health experience. This includes a scientifically validated hearing test, allowing users to assess their hearing capabilities effectively. Additionally, it features clinical-grade and active hearing protection, ensuring that users can safeguard their hearing while enjoying their favorite audio content. One of the standout functionalities of the AirPods Pro 2 is the intelligent noise control system. This advanced feature employs active noise cancellation technology, which is capable of removing up to twice as much background noise compared to previous models. This means that when you're in a noisy environment, you can expect a significantly quieter listening experience. The transparency mode is another innovative aspect, allowing users to remain aware of their surroundings while still enjoying their audio. For those who want the best of both worlds, the adaptive audio feature intelligently blends the active noise cancellation and transparency modes, ensuring an optimal listening experience tailored to any given environment. Number 4. Apple AirPods, 3rd Generation, Wireless Earbuds. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking places sound all around you, creating an immersive listening experience that enhances music, movies, and gaming. This technology allows sounds to move fluidly with your head movements, making it feel as though audio is emanating from all directions. It is important to ensure that the earbud tips you use match the size of your ear canals. If the tips do not fit snugly, you may not experience the intended sound quality or call performance, as a proper seal is crucial for optimal audio delivery. It is advisable to try different sizes of earbud tips provided with your device, ensuring you find one that fits comfortably and securely. Additionally, the adaptive EQ feature automatically tunes music to your ears by analyzing the fit of the earbuds and adjusting the frequencies accordingly. This means that the audio is tailored specifically to your hearing profile and the way the earbuds sit in your ears, providing a customized listening experience. Number 5. Apple AirPods Max. This pre-owned product, while not certified by Apple, has undergone a thorough professional inspection, testing, and cleaning process provided by suppliers who meet Amazon's qualifications. You can expect the product to be in excellent condition, as there will be no visible cosmetic imperfections when viewed from an arm's length distance. Additionally, this product is equipped with a battery that maintains over 80% of its original capacity, ensuring reliable performance comparable to a new device. While the included accessories may not be original, rest assured that they are compatible with the product and fully functional to meet your needs. The item may arrive in a generic box rather than its original packaging.